What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show you how you can restore dislike counts on desktop. So let's dive right into this. Firstly, you're going to head over to the website called returnyoutubedislike.com. You're going to click install, and then you're going to find all of the different browser platforms that support this extension. You got Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Opera, even Brave, which is one I actually haven't touched. And also you can use it via TamperMonkey and also on jailbroken iOS devices. Now, with that being said, all you have to do is click your respective platform. It'll open up the Chrome Web Store with the extension, or whichever platform you're using, extension, web store, whatever have you. And as you can see, it's simple as that. Once you have it installed, you just go to youtube.com, click on a random video. We'll do TMG's video. And as you can see, the dislikes are restored. So you might be wondering, how does this work? Well, fundamentally, this is using Google's API and also scrape data. So the Google API is the most accurate way of pulling dislike data. However, Google is going to be taking that away from their API in the next 10 days. So this is not going to be as accurate afterwards. And essentially what they're going to do after that is, for previous videos that have been uploaded, they're just going to use like the data they archived for dislike counts from their database. And they're just going to use that and just estimate the amount of dislikes. And then for new content, I'm assuming, again, they're going to just be trying to approximate it with however funky features they have figured out. So it's not going to be accurate after the next 10 days. But I mean, this is the only option we have right now as a community. In general, my thoughts on the YouTube dislikes being hidden is I hate this. This isn't really helping any of the creators, health-wise. As a creator myself, I can literally go to manage my videos and see all the dislike counts. So even if someone were to hypothetically get dislike bombed, yeah, other users may not see it, but the individual being targeted by said dislike bombs or whatever have you, they're going to still be impacted mentally. And if we want to talk about mentally, there are a lot of data points that YouTube gives you in the back end if you're a creator, and some of those really make you feel like shit. For example, they rank all your videos. So if I upload a video like I did today about like a quick G303 unboxing, it'll rank it by every other video, last 10 videos that I've uploaded, and say, oh yeah, this is ranked 5 out of the last 10 videos that you uploaded. And honestly, that kind of makes you feel like crap when the video doesn't perform. We all know as creators that, this change that YouTube's doing, it really isn't protecting us in any shape, way, or form. Honestly, it's harming the community as a whole. I use YouTube for everything. I'm literally self-taught in everything from YouTube. Like this whole setup, everything I'm doing right now, from the computer, from the way I'm communicating to you on the camera, the mic setup, the headphones, the light gear, everything around me, it's all because of YouTube and understanding what content is worth my time and what's not. I've been on the platform for well over a decade now. And I, as a kid, when I was on the platform, was really close. And even to this day, do get susceptible to scam videos or videos that are suspect and are going to send you to links that are full of nonsense. So the fact that they're taking this away is such a serious detriment. It really pains me, and it's clear that it pains everyone, content creators and viewers of YouTube content. It's a terrible decision, and like I mentioned, the return YouTube dislike extension is the only thing we have, and after the next 10 days, it's not going to be perfect. So all we can do is just, cross our fingers and to hope that YouTube realizes that we need the dislike feature. We need to be able to see dislikes. Yeah, it sucks as a creator, and I could not even imagine what it must feel like to get dislike bombed as a creator. But in reality, even though me as a viewer, I'm not going to be able to see, let's say, a potential viewer dislike bomb, the creator themselves is going to see it in the back end, and it's going to make them feel awful. Anyways, those are my thoughts on the YouTube dislikes. If this video helps you out, hit the like button, subscribe button. Would love the support. I'm trying to grow this channel to 1,000 subs, and I need you all to do so. And I'll see you guys in the next one.